Lagi ko sinasabi na yung love is parang susi siya. Maraming pwedeng makapasok na susi, pero isa lang yung nakakapagbukas. And ikaw yun sa buhay ko kasi everything fits perfectly nung pagpunta mo dito. And from this day forward, mas na-excite ako na makasama ka, mas na-excite ako na planuhin yung buhay.
Kaya mo yan. Pati ikaw, mas magaling ka sa akin eh.
Hindi, marami pa akong gagawin. Marami pang kulang.
Anyway, pinaka-best lang eh. Pilitin mo maging masaya lagi sa akin.
Apo.
And magkaroon ka lagi ng vision. And, siguro mas maganda na sabihin natin mangarap ka lagi.
I feel that this is the start of our future. Feeling ko after nito, pwede na kami magplano for the future, magplano papuntang Ireland, para magplano na magkaroon ng family together. So this day is really important to us.
Hi Mariel, ito na yung day na inaantay natin, yung mga pinagpuyatan nating araw. Alam, mahirap pero alam ko na pag ikaw yung kasama ko, mas madali ang lahat. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga tiwala, sa lahat ng pagtsatsaga and pag-unawa sa akin.
It breaks the silence when you turn around, when the light shines your face. More I'm becoming, the last one is falling. Have I been waiting for your love as we ignite? Oh, the fire grows, the wind can never blow, and your words on my ears are rhymes over and over. I love you so tender, wrapped on her arms while staring at your eyes. And I'll be over when you are under. I want you to hold my hands and take these chances free, like a dream that builds its fantasies alive. Seems I'll be giving more tonight, 'cause with your love I'm invincible, that I will never slow over and over.
Ngayon, kusang loob kayong dumudulog sa simbahan at humihiling ng paspas at panalangin upang ang inyong panghabang buhay na pagbubuklod ay pagtibayin ng Panginoon. At kayo naman mga kapatid na naririto, ipanalangin sila at bukas palad silang tanggapin bilang magkaisang dibdib sa ating sambayan ng Kristiyano. Hinihiling ko ngayon, Iman at Yeli, na sagutin ninyo ng buong katapatan ang aking mga katanungan. Yeli, bukal ba sa iyong kalooban ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Iman na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Apa, Father.
Iman, bukal ba sa iyong kalooban ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Yeli na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
Nakahanda ba kayong gumanap sa inyong pananagutan sa simbahan na umaasang inyong aarugain ang mga supling na ipagkakaloob sa inyo ng poong may kapal?
Opo, Father.
Sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, magharap kayo. At inyong ipahayag ang inyong mithiing magtipan sa banal na sakramento ng matrimonyo. Yeli, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Eman na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating inang simbahan?
Opo, Father. Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
At nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.
Eman, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Yeli
Opo.
na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Father.
Ano?
Opo, Father.
At nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father. Ama namin, kami po ay loobing magkaisa ng kalooban at damdamin mula ngayon sa kaginhawaan at kahirapan, sa karamdaman at kalusugan sa lahat ng araw ng aming buhay.
At ako bilang tagapagpatunay ng inang simbahan, pinagtitibay ko at binabasbasan ang pagtataling puso ninyong pinagtipan sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
Chances free, like a dream that builds its fantasies alive. Seems I'll be given more tonight, 'cause with your love I'm invincible, that I will never slow. Over and over, I love you so tender, wrapped on her arms while staring at your eyes. And I'll be over when you are under, driving our souls as one and share ourselves apart. Over and over, I love you so tender. I want you to hold my hands and take these chances free. And your words on my ears are rhymes. All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights.
I've spent enough number of years on this planet to say that marriage is a promise between two people who love each other and who trust in that love, who honor each other as individuals and who choose to spend the rest of their lives together. This is the most beautiful part of your life, to spend your days and weeks and months and years together. It's a great thing, and I'm very happy for Iman because he has been very, very close to me all along the time I've been working, or maybe before I started actually working with Aspen Medical. So congratulations both of you, and God bless you. May you have a long and happy married life together.
Salamat Mariel at ikaw isa sa mga naging anak namin. We're very proud of you. Hindi mo lang alam kung gaano kami ka-proud na anak ka namin. To Eman, we welcome you to our family and we love you, Eman. Sabi nga, family isn't always blood. It's the people in your life who want you in theirs. The ones who accept you for who you are, the ones who would do anything to see you smile, and who love you no matter what. Credit to the owners. Si TTO, nabasa ko po ito kanina.
Anak, thank you very much na isa ka sa pinakamabait namin anak. Emon, thank you very much for coming into our lives. Sige.
Sa mag-asawa po, siguro ang masasabi ko lang, Eman and Mariel, at nasabi ko rin kay Mariel kanina, Mariel, maraming salamat at minahal mo si Pogi. Tawag namin kay Eman si Pogi eh. At welcome ka sa pamilya natin, napapalaki na, Peñaranda family. At man, lagot ka sa akin pagka nagsumbong yan, lagot ka sa akin. At maraming salamat po. Yung Speaker of the House po namin, na walang ginawa kundi magsalita simula umaga hanggang hapon hanggang gabi, ibinibigay ko, palakpakan niyo pagka ayaw neto magsalita na hindi pinapalakpakan ng malakas. Panginoon ang hinahina niyo pumalakpak. Go! Ibinibigay ko po sa inyo si Imelda Angel Peñaranda.
Sa mag-asawa, good evening po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po sa oras, panahon na pinagkaloob niyo para sa wedding ni Eman at ni Mariel. Hindi matatawaran ang pagpapasalamat namin dahil nahandito kayong lahat. Then kay Eman po at kay Mariel, Yel, welcome sa family. Ha, anak. Kay Eman, kay Eman, man, simple lang ang buhay mag-asawa ay simple lang. Basta meron kayong, sabi nga ni Father, tapat sa isa't isa. At higit sa lahat, huwag kalilimutan. Alam natin, pareho kayo nagtatrabaho. Pero, ang lagi niyong tatandaan, magtulungan at sa oras ng pagtulog, dapat may panahon sa isa't isa para mag-usap. Ha? Huwag niyong kalilimutan ang oras para sa isa't isa. Pangalawa, Mariel, huwag ka matakot. Mabait akong biyanan. Mabait ako. Diba, Lois? Ayun, ang una kong manugang. Diba, Lois? Mabait akong biyanan.
I am happy, Kuya Eman and Ate Mariel, that you found each other. As you continue your journey as husband and wife, loving and supporting each other, know that I am always a chat or a call away for both of you. And you are always all in my prayers. So, Ate Mariel and Kuya Eman, to all of our guests, please join me as we raise our glass and wish our lovely couple a life full of love and joy, as well as a life full of little Emans and little Yelis in the future. Cheers!
Well, one piece of advice siguro is just to be like yung marriage is it's really a choice. If you're starting your life na hindi naman talaga siya more happy things and all that stuff, it's really just like choosing to be with each other. Like even if it's the worst of the worst, you just have to deal with it, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, yun. So one thing's for sure, like sila mami, sila daddy, andyan naman lagi yan eh. So
nandito lang kami for you guys. Si Kuya Pogi. Iwasan mo yung pagka-pogi mo kasi mahirap eh. Ayun, so yun. So, guys, I want to ask you to join us to have a toast. So,
All I want is satisfaction.